guys started at the middle of the Kosan Road. Considerably quieter in the morning. I must say I much prefer it this time. It's my favourite time of day here. In the early morning, everyone's starting to set up. So I'll be on the Kosan Road for a couple of hours today. Just picking up a few last minute little presents and stuff. Quiet. This time of day. This lady's set up her authentic cocktail store, which is fabulous. There's Kosan Road's many cannabis dispensaries. Can't believe it's been quite a shock, I must say, since I was last here. There is literally a cannabis dispensary every few shops. It's just crazy compared to, you know, obviously you hear all these tales about how harsh the Thai police are when it comes to drugs, and then they come along with a big surprise like that and legalise it. And frankly, I've seen people taking the absolute piss out of it. I mean, just quite blatantly smoking it on the street. It's kind of shocking, actually, I must say. It's a little bit windy. It's the first for my trip here. Bloody lodge there, it's a nice place. I've stayed there in the past. What I'll do is I'll take a little walk and go around to Rambuti as well. And hopefully I pronounced that correct. Silver shops over there. Hopefully they're not wholesale, because I'd like to buy somebody a special little gift. Say a big thank you. So they better not be wholesale, otherwise I'm going to have to turn up my best try. Look at this whole place, isn't it? This is just opposite the Kosan Road. There's a little place coming up here on the left where this lady's standing with the umbrella. The food here is absolutely fantastic. So cheap. I had a huge bowl of food with rice and the water. It's like 60 baht. Even £2. It's just incredible value, it really is. Now this place is young. Indulged the other day. Lots and lots and lots of Thai delights. Look at these plates. streets. It's such a nice place. First time I ever came to Bangkok, I really wasn't sure if I liked it. But after a couple of days, I was utterly in love. There's still a bit of a shock to the system when you come from one of the islands. Like I spent 8 days on Koh Chang, and the vibe there is just amazing. I found how trying to put Bangkok gives me anxiety. It's just too much madness. I've obviously changed and got to the world for the last 8 years since my last visit, so it's been quite some time. I'm absolutely delighted to say that we'll definitely be returning in December as a family, which will be fabulous. Can't wait.